Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. In today's video we are going to draw a beautiful simple rose with two leaves. So for this I have taken A6 paper, A6 200 GSM watercolor paper, and I'm going to use artline fine liners, and right now I'm using a mechanical pencil to draw the outline of the rose and leaves and petals. And after finishing this I'm going to mark it with or make it permanent with a fine liner pen. So for this I'm using 26 shades domes or brush pens, and as I said I'm using artline pens, fine liners, and here I'm using 0.2 and just outline it and do the necessary corrections here itself by drawing the perfect shape, and very freely be confident in drawing this. And after this try do coloring part. I have used only two colors, one is red and one is dark green, and leaves will have some thorny texture, so just give some curves in the leaves, and after that erase all the pencil lines and dust away all the dust, and now start coloring with the brush pencil. And here first color the outline of the leaves or petals, and then start filling in the direction how the petal is going on, so that you will get the perfect shape. And wherever you have the wherever you have this inner outlines, there you can just run your brush once again so that a light darkness will be formed. And so I have finished coloring the rose, but here be careful when you're coloring the leaves, because the brush pen may not dry as fast as we are doing it, so just do it a little bit away, and then you can just correct it at the near of the rose, and after that color the leaves, and this is how it turns. Thanks for watching, and do please subscribe the channel if you are watching for the first time. Thank you. Keep on drawing. Enjoy drawing. Bye bye. Take care.